In a dramatic twist, the death of Sanjay Kapoor, businessman and former husband of Bollywood actress Karisma Kapoor, has sparked international attention and legal action. The circumstances of his sudden passing in London have prompted his mother, Rani Kapoor, to seek formal investigation by UK authorities. Rani, the former chairperson of Sona Comstor, has officially launched a criminal complaint in the UK requesting a detailed investigation into what she describes as the mysterious nature of her son's death. According to a report in a media portal, the complaint raises questions about the events leading to Sanjay's demise and urges British law enforcement to take swift and decisive action. The situation around Sanjay's death is deeply troubling, said a source close to the family. The source confirmed that the family has called for immediate and comprehensive intervention by UK authorities to uncover the truth. Adding an international layer to the investigation, the report also noted that US authorities are keeping a close watch on the case as Sanjay was a US national. With both British and American officials now engaged, the mysterious death has taken on a global dimension. On the other hand, on July 29th, Sanjay's mother Rani broke her silence during her interaction with a media portal. Expressing concern over the future of the company she co-founded with her late husband, she said, "I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now. I need closure before I go."
I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now and need closure before I go. I may be old and frail now, but my memory of being with my husband when Sona was set up is strong. I remember the early days of Sona, built with care, sacrifice, and love. I am here to remind the world that our family legacy must not be lost. It must be passed on as my husband always wanted to be. Given my health and my age, I will not be making any further comments. My legal team will address everything necessary.
Last month, Rani also raised suspicious over Sanjay's sudden death. For those unversed, Sanjay was the chairperson of Sona Comstor. A month after his death, Rani wrote to the company seeking postponement of the company's annual general meeting. According to media reports, she stated that she has not been able to receive answers about Sanjay's death. She reportedly wrote, "On June 12th, my son, Mr. Sanjay Kapoor, tragically passed away under highly suspicious and unexplained circumstances in the United Kingdom. Despite all attempts, I'm not able to receive answers about my son's death. Despite me seeking information, I have been unable to receive any relevant answers and documents explaining the incident and have been confined to the knowledge and version set out by the media. While we're in mourning, some people are trying to usurp family legacy." She stated that she had not given her consent for anyone to be added to the board of the Sona group of companies. Rani further alleged that she has been totally denied access to her accounts. "I've been left to the mercy of a select few for survival. All this in less than a month of my only son's passing," she said. According to a report, Sanjay's mother further stated that she has also been forced to sign documents which she has not even read or understood. Sanjay passed away on June 12th after suffering a heart attack while playing polo in the UK. According to media reports, Sanjay was playing polo and riding a horse when he accidentally swallowed a bee, which got lodged in his throat and caused irritation. This triggered a state of panic, ultimately leading to a heart attack. Despite efforts to revive him, he reportedly succumbed to the medical emergency on the spot. Sanjay is survived by his wife Priya Sachdev. Together they have a son, Azarias Kapoor, who was born in December 2018. The businessman was previously married to Karisma and they were blessed with two children, Samaira Kapoor and Kian Raj Kapoor. Well, what do you think about Sanjay Kapoor's mother claiming his death was mysterious? Let us know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to FPG Showbiz for more such updates.